What's up guys, I'm here with Garrett Jenner and we're going to do another video for you guys which we think will be fun. It's going to be skateboard trucks on a flowboard. We tried flowboard hacks and it didn't really work, so we're going to do one more thing with the flowboard. I'm pretty sure it will rest in peace after this. So this is the flowboard with nothing else on it. It's basically like a 10-inch deck.
It's like a 10-inch deck that almost like slopes inward.
Yeah.
So it's almost like a snowboard.
Yeah, exactly. So maybe with trucks and wheels it will be fun. It might just be like a regular board, but very, very wide. I want to see it board slid down any rail because we've never had that happen before. So hopefully this will finally give us that moment. I think this will be easy to set up, which is good. That took so much longer than I thought.
Flowboard has some high quality wood.
Yeah. Can I do the honors?
Do the honors. That went straight into my face.
That's sick, dude.
It looks just like a normal skateboard times 8.
I bet I can kickflip it.
So we went from skating this, which is a 4-inch skateboard, to skating this, which is like a 12-inch skateboard.
Doesn't get much more fun than that.
You call that a skateboard?
I can't think of it.
Come on.
I can't.
Oh, can't think of it?
Yeah.
Primo.
First try.
Again.
Okay, here we go. Second try. Game over.
Flick it harder. Guys, if you want to learn how to kickflip, just try doing a quadruple kickflip and chances are you'll do at least one.
Oh, I like it because there's so much surface area. I'm definitely going to go up to like an 815.
Yeah, you need to go to 8.2 at least. Yeah!
Kickflip skate sport. Thank you, Garrett. Dude, this is actually a fun one.
Is it?
It is.
What would you say compared to the small board?
Well, it's the exact opposite.
My legs are done. So used to it feeling like a flowboard.
It's like a flowboard, but good. This is true flowboard hacks.
Yeah, this is flowboard hacks.
He squeaked. Yeah, boy. The triplet's easier because it's lighter. Super lighter. Super lighter. Yeah, dude. How about a late varial heel?
Late varial kickflip?
I think you can do it. First try, $5. Boom, $5.
Oh, it's so weird.
Boom, that was perf. Heel flip, first try. Yeah, that was great. All right, I got one for you, all the way down to 5.
My front foot fully came off the board. That would have been a really cool ollie north if I rolled away. Oh my god. I'm scared of ollie.
Why?
I don't know. It doesn't do what a normal skateboard does.
Wow, well then you should just kickflip it then and not mess with the ollie. Remember that thing cost me $50.
I chipped this thing. $50?
Board slide. This has never been done on a flowboard in this skate park that we are aware of.
How do you get the feel for it? It's totally doable.
Alright. That was on a ripstick. He's gonna board slide this really quick. Revenge of the flowboard.
Oh my god. It's so flat. Down in it, dude.
There you go. I think you could pop shove it down the stairs.
Shove it down the stairs? Alright. I know I got that one.
You want to try to ollie it first? What do you think? You feel comfortable pop shoving it?
Pop shove it?
I think you got that.
Let's do a pop shove it.
Yeah, dude. That was sketch. What? That was so scary. But you landed it.
I like hit the truck and then went in the 5-0.
The board like forced onto the ledge.
Dude.
Well, good job, dude. That was commitment. Oh yeah. What?
Done.
Woo!
They
for letting me ride this, dude.
You're welcome.
My legs are frozen in this position.
All right, we're here with Eddie Gonzalez. He has joined the chat room, and he is ready to play a game of skate against Garrett Ginner. Rochambeau.
I'm exhausted.
You get SK8. Garrett's so tired he wants to do SK8.
You know what? I'll do SK8TE for the sake of you. I can't even talk right. If you subscribe right now, do it, yeah. Get my jumping jacks on. Warm up the muscles. Alright, see?
See, he warms up. He takes
I can
it
do
slow.
that trick, I think. So usually in games of skate, people will go like ollie, pop shove it, kick flip, not ollie, nollie flip. That works.
That's what I normally do.
Wait,
There you go.
I got a little scared.
No, that, we can edit that, right?
That was good. Judges?
Yeah, that was good.
That was a late show.
That's in your future. Dude, he's like, I'm tired. I just want to end this.
Oh, I did a backside flip.
Damn.
That was good, I think.
Why the late flips? Why do I always do flips?
Eddie was like, I hope he does a tray flip or something.
I should have.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kick flips wasn't even late.
We can edit the lateness in. Wow, man. Good job.
Thanks. I feel like what I want to eat for dinner, which is spaghetti.
What was that? A late tray flip?
Yeah, late back foot tray flip 180. You just did it. But
Can you do it again?
I don't know. Can you do it again? That's the question.
Oh my god.
It will happen. One day it will happen.
Please, not on the flowboard.
Oh, did that count now?
You're gonna, hey,
Look at the
rebate.
board.
Eddie is better than that, okay?
But he's on like a 12-inch board.
Yeah, but watch this. See? Told you.
So does 2 sketchy one, that equals 1 clean one, right?
So what? Reading? It's good?
Damn.
That was like textbook fakie kick.
Yeah, tray flip is hard.
Yeah. I can't even flick on it.
Should have said SK8, dude. It would have been done like 10 minutes ago.
Oh my god.
I think we're both extremely tired.
No, Eddie's not tired.
Not a good one.
You're tired.
Walk and talk about it.
Wow. Gazelle 900 spin. Yeah. No, it's defense. Okay.
Just as bad, but I'll take that one.
Garrett, you're really making this game go on way too long by landing everything.
Trust me, I want it to be over just as bad as you do, Lance.
I don't trust you. I don't believe you.
You know what I gotta do? I gotta do jumping jacks. That's what got me hyped up last time. Oh, that did not. I didn't pop anything. That did not pop. My whole life flashed before my eyes just then.
So did mine.
I'm wide awake now. Wide awake. I'll
Now it's
land my
game
next
time?
trick. Next trick will be landed. Woke me up. I got wind. That nollie.
Whoa, dude, you could learn that.
I should have just rolled away from that. That's how you should do skateboarding. Technically, you're supposed to roll away from the tricks you land, but you know.
Nope, nope. Yeah. It's good.
Fakie?
The old fakey bake spin. What?
That trick's my weakness.
That's K. Don't call it a comeback. Oh, he's coming out swanging. Wow. He said that's his weakness. Playing smart. Oh! Dude, that was a good run.
Oh gosh, I can't even stand on it now.
This is like the realest game of skate I've ever seen.
Yeah, the game
dude.
went from really good to really bad to back to.
Is that an ollie?
Yeah. I can sort of do that. Sort of.
You get 2 tries.
Oh, you got that. Part of me really wants him to land it. The other part of me really wants him not to.
Oh, I was going for it.
Damn, that was an amazing game. Literally amazing. You guys killed it beyond killed it. You guys can follow Garrett on his YouTube channel and at Instagram at Garrett Jenner.
The Lance finally got both of them right.
You can follow Eddie at Eddie Gonzalez on Instagram. You guys can subscribe to our channel at Braille Skateboarding. Follow us on Instagram at Braille Skate. And I hope you guys like this board. I know that I did. It was really fun.
I bet you did, Lance. I bet you love that board.
Hey, I loved it. Anyway, if you guys have suggestions, feedback, leave in the comments below. Again, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Eu também quero ser profissional de skate, né, mano? E é muito louco porque tá tão perto, tipo que sei lá, uma sensação cabreira, mano. Nem acredito que tá chegando essa hora.
Dude, he doesn't even know how good he is. Like, he's so humble, so rad.
Someone like Tiago, he's young. He's just getting started.
He's hungry, you know, he wants to make it.
Dude, there is 50 tricks that I knew that Tiago was the real deal before the world knew he was the real deal. The dude is the truth.